If you got a Sparkel machine for Christmas or recent holiday, you may have noticed that you have to use the little carbonator packets. I was curious if I could make them from home. I've read some other people online, but I'm actually going to weigh them out to see how much is in each thing. So first we're going to separate the two packets here. One is citric acid, the other is baking soda. So this is the citric acid one. So we're going to weigh these out and know for sure if we wanted to make it from home. Now they're very careful to tell you that it does void your warranty, but we're going to see what we got here. So I've already zeroed out my scale. This is the citric acid. So it is going to be 10 grams of citric acid. Okay, go ahead and do another one for our baking soda. Again, they make it very clear this voids the warranty on your Sparkel machine, but we're all really, really curious. And I had heard, a couple teaspoons here and there, but I wanted the exact amounts. So this is the baking soda. So 13 grams of the baking soda. So if you're going to sparkle stuff from home and use homemade stuff, it is 10 grams citric acid, 13 grams of baking soda.